Yeah, Alfie and I just got back from the bookstore. It was cold out, so we're both wearing our scarves. That's very pretty. Yes, thank you. Yours is too. Oh, well, thank you. Well, we bought this book. It's back here. It's called What Do You Do with a Problem? And it was written by Kobe Yamada. Yeah, Yamada. No, no, he's not an alpaca. He's an author. Okay? And it's a really great book because it describes problems as opportunities. And everybody needs to learn that lesson. Yes, even you. Yes, yes. Okay. But it reminded me of another story. And you want to hear it? Okay. It's called The Red Robot. And this is the red robot. He has lots of detail and even some really sparkly spots with some fabric and some paper. It's very sparkly and mirror-like, and it's mixed media. We like that. There's also a pattern that you can get for the red robot. It has 4 pages, so there's lots of options for you. You know, I like options. Okay, so let's put it down. All right. You ready for the story? Okay. Let's take off your scarf because it's going to get hot. And I'll tell you the whole story. All right, here we go. Ready for the story? Okay, I'm going to read it to you. Okay, here we go. Imagine this, Alfie. One year, there was this awful and scary virus. The virus spread across our planet, and everyone had to be careful not to get sick. In fact, if someone felt ill, had a really bad sore throat, or flu symptoms, or found it difficult to breathe, that person had to go into quarantine. What's quarantine? Quarantine is around 14 days being by yourself. Oh no, without your friends, or your brothers, or your sisters, or even parents had to be careful not to get too close. And when I said across the planet, I meant even the South and North Poles. Yes, Santa Claus and his elves weren't safe either. Ooh. They all wore masks, but it only took one elf to feel like he had the flu to put the entire toy workshop into quarantine. Quarantine? How will the toys be made in time for Santa to put them in his sled? Did you know that reindeers don't get the flu virus? Neither do toys. And neither do robots. If you didn't know that robots have been in the workshop, well, they are, and they've been there for about 20 years. Meet one of the robots, the red robot. And he works in the shop. You can make the red robot with the pattern Alfie is making available, but there's more. Not all the robots were red. Some are blue. Alfie, you'd like that a lot. Some are orange, some are purple, and some are very fashionable. So the red robot called upon his other robots to help. That's very nice. Yes. The story continues, but we're not going to tell you the rest. Except to say at the end, the red robot received the Santa Claus Outstanding Volunteer Award. What do you think happened? Why don't you write the middle of the story and share it with your teachers, friends, and family? Doesn't that kind of sound like fun? Yeah, okay. Create your own robot then. Your own color choice. Use fabric or paper or paint, it's your choice. And don't forget you can change the pose. We can't wait to see your creations. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering what that noise was, those are our silly dogs fighting under the table. So pardon us for that. Thank you. See you later.